Greeting my friends, my name is Liz and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing with your friends as we educate ourselves. Like today I want to show you something. I want to show you how to make bleach disinfectant at home. It's very safe. You can make it at home. It's very safe and it's affordable to anyone. For me, I think it's very affordable and you can make it from anywhere. Only you need the chemicals and water that you need to mix the chemicals with it. If you're wondering what we have, I'll show you. I have this pail here and this mixing stick that I'm going to use to mix the chemicals with. I have 10 liters of water and I have these chemicals here. As you can see, yes, here are they. They are the chemicals that I bought from the shop and I'm going to make 10 liters today because I have a very small household. So for 10 liters, it's it's it will sustain me for some times. And it's very affordable because what we're going to make here it's less than let me say $3. And when you go to the supermarket, it's very costly. If you need to cut your cost or you need to make your detergent, which you can use without sparing, and you can use it anywhere. This bleach detergent, it's like Jig or Clorox. You can use it to wash your white clothes. You can use it to wash your toilet, the toilet seat, the toilet tiles. You can use it to wash your bathtub. Even you can use it to clean your tiles. So come along with me as I show you this process one by one. If you need to know where I bought the chemicals, I bought it just in town. I can leave the direction on the comment section. That is, if you really need to know where I bought it from. And just come along with me. And as I show you step by step, it's very easy. So when you go to the shop and they'll explain to you how you make it. Your work is just going there and asking the amount that you need. For example, if you need 20 liters of this bleach, they'll measure for you everything in proportion. So your work is just coming and mixing. It's that easy. It's very simple. Don't need to sweat. Don't need much detail. There's like the bleach that I'm going to make today. It's just mixing everything at once and leaving it. I like leaving it to stay overnight because after that all the chemicals are all neutralized and it's free and safe to use on my clothes and in my house. Come along with me. This is what I have so far. This is the big pail. This one, the container that I'm going to mix, it's 20 liters. So it's going to accommodate all the chemicals. I have 10 liters of water. I've measured it with this. I have this measuring can. It can measure, so this can measure. This whole one is 1 liter. This one is 1 liter. So I've poured 10 of them there. That is 10 liters. And the chemical that I bought, they are, let me show you. They are 1, 2, 3. They are 3 here, 3 different chemicals. And I just want, in the instruction was, I just mix everything together and then I pour water. I went to get this scissor to cut. I'll start with this. I wish I knew the name of this chemical so that I can tell you the names, but I don't know the chemical name. All I know is there's salt. It's the detergent salt. It's not the ordinary salt. This one. But what we have here, everything that I had in that container, here they right. We have this one. It has big particles. Focus. It has big particles. This one it's very white, like the real salt. And this one is fine. The particles are fine. So the instruction was to mix everything. And then I add water. So I'm going to cut this. Yes. I'll pour the first one there. This detergent, it's very, it comes in handy. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, let's pour the second one. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on the expensive ones from the supermarket, you can just the third one, and then I'll show you how I mix it. And then you add water. So everything here is mixed. Yes. Here is everything that I've mixed. So I'm going to add water bit by bit. I will put 2 at a time. Oh my god, the water is turning. And I'll mix. Don't worry about the color. After the reaction, I'm actually stepping on this pail down here and it's very, very warm. So that's telling me this thing is coming out as expected. I'll put another 2 liters of water. And we mix nicely. We mix nicely. Actually, I still feel some particles down there. I'll put another 2. So these are 6. Mix. Mix it nicely. I always like putting the water bit by bit so that it's faster when it's concentrated. And then the 7 liters, 8 liters of water. Now the particles are all diluted. Mix thoroughly. And our last part to clean my house and my clothes. Let me know if this thing was useful, if this video was useful to you.